This video I'm going to teach you um how to actually navigate through this platform called BitToken. So BitToken is actually um a cryptocurrency, or let me just say it's a meme coin, but it's a stable coin. Yeah, let me say it's a stable coin because it has a fixed value. So now this BitToken is actually one of the rising coins right now. So, and in this video I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about it. So when you click on the link below this video, you are going to be brought up to the sign up page where you are going to put your email, your password and all. So after that, you'll be asked for your Telegram ID. So to get your Telegram ID, around that place you are going to see a yellow button. Yeah, around that place that they are asking you for Telegram ID, you are going to see a yellow button that they write BOT on it. Just click that yellow button. It will redirect you to your Telegram account where you are going to get your Telegram ID from the BitToken Telegram bot. So when you get your Telegram ID, come back to the site and paste it. Then it will ask you for one simple math like that, maybe 3 times 2 or anything. Just answer it and click on continue. Then when you click on continue, then you are going to now do OTP verification. They will send OTP to that Telegram bot. So all you just have to do is to go to your Telegram and get the 4 digits number, then come back here, post it and log in. You might face issue with OTP. All you just have to do is to resend the code again. Yeah, because some of you actually experienced that while some of you didn't. So just make sure you wait after like 3 minutes, they resend the code until it works perfectly. So once you have your account registered, then you'll be brought to this page that you're seeing right now. So let me explain something. So now this RP is what we are mining, and for every hour you get 30 RPs. Share you grab 30 RP, as you can see it here, 30 RP per hour. So now this miner works for 2 hours. So every 2 hours, just come and claim your RP. And if we get if you get 30 RPs per hour, then in 2 hours you'll be getting 60 RPs. So in a day, if you multiply 60 times 24, you know how many RPs that you are going to be getting. So you just have to be coming here every 2 hours to claim it, since you don't have a miner yet. Now that's about this miner that you are seeing right now. So just come here every 2 hours to come and claim it.